Lafayette. My name is Lieutenant Colonel Greg Thomas, Commander Leader of your United States Air Force Thunderbirds. We are honored to take part in this special occasion this afternoon. The young men and women standing behind me are your sons, daughters, brothers, sisters, neighbors, and friends. And soon they will become America's airmen, defenders of our most precious freedoms. These young men and women chose not to pursue ordinary jobs. Instead, they decided to serve their country and join the more than 520,000 airmen serving on active duty in the Air Force Reserve and Air National Guard. These soon-to-be airmen represent the future of our Air Force and our nation. I want to thank them for their courage, their dedication, and commitment. We are honored to serve alongside them. Out of respect, please stand as I lead them in the oath of enlistment. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Do solemnly swear to support and defend the Constitution of the United States, all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the orders of the President of the United States and the orders of the officers appointed over me, according to regulations and the Uniform Code of Military Justice. So help me God. Please join me in a round of applause to welcome America's newest